Hey everyone, I'm outside the library getting excited for my meditation workshop that's taking place next Wednesday. And we're going to have a lot of fun talking about the different types of meditation, why sometimes meditation practices don't work for people, and how they can work. And it's going to be very interactive. There'll be some guided meditations included. You'll walk away with an action plan how you can get your meditation practice started. So many benefits: health, mental health, physical health, so many reasons to do it. So come join us Wednesday, June 8th at 5:30 at the Irvin M. Young Memorial Library in Whitewater, Wisconsin. And we would love for you to register if you plan to come, and I'll provide those links wherever I post this. Hope to see you then.